In this demo, I would like to show you how you can expose your master data as real-time web services with EBX5. EBX5 is a model-driven MDM, which means what you define in your data model is what you get in both the user interface and the data services layer. Let's start by generating a web service from a master data set. I select my finance domain and then the legal entity data set. I would like to perform real-time operations, such as select, count or insert, on my main accounts table. To do so, I go to the Data Services menu where I can select various web services operations. First, I need to point to my finance domain and then to my legal entity data set. Then, I can choose which operations I want to perform in my web service. EBX5 will automatically generate the WSDL file according to my underlying data model. Now, let's test a simple count operation. To do so, I will use SOAP UI to simulate a call from an application. I create a new project and load a WSDL file generated by EBX5. As you see, this project now contains my count operation. To test a request, I need to indicate a username, a password, and in which domain and data set I want to perform this operation. When launching the request, I get the count result from the web service. Now, let's try a more complex operation. I want to insert new records in my MDM using the insert operation, but I want to isolate those new records in a staging area, so I be able to review before merging it to my main MDM. To do so, I create what we call a data space under my finance domain. This data space will receive the new records inserted using my web service. Using SOAP UI again, I can send a request by pointing to this staging data space. I am creating a new account with an ID and a name. Back to EBX5, I select my staging data space. You can see the new inserted record in the accounts table. Now, I can review the content of my staging data space by comparing it with its parent. Each change is presented by object, so I can approve or reject it. Then, I can merge my staging data space, so my new records become available in my MDM. In this demonstration, we've seen how to automatically generate web services to perform real-time operations on master data. Thanks for watching and have a great day.